Jerry O'Connell has replaced Sharon Osbourne on The Talk, becoming the show's first full-time male co-host. Jerry O'Connell has been appointed a full-time co-host of The Talk. The actor, 47, has replaced former host Sharon Osbourne on the CBS talk show following her resignation in March. A regular guest on the program, which also features Sheryl Underwood, Amanda Kloots, and Elaine Welteroth, as co-host Carrie Ann Inaba has taken a leave of absence. Jerry is the show's first full-time male co-host. Sheryl announced the exciting news during the show's July 14th episode. Then, Jerry released the following statement via video: "It's really exciting. You ladies have been so welcoming to me. I came here as a guest months ago. From the moment I walked in, you're gracious, you're kind, you're fun, and it worked. Here we are. We're going to have a lot of fun, we really are." Sharon, 68, resigned after she lashed out at her co-hosts, namely Sheryl, during the March 10th episode of the daytime Emmy Award-winning series while defending her longtime friend Piers Morgan after he made disparaging, racist remarks about Meghan Markle. Related gallery: Rebecca Romaine and Jerry O'Connell, pics. During the tense conversation, Sheryl asked Sharon, "What would you say to people who may feel that while you're standing by your friend, it appears you gave validation or safe haven to something that he has uttered that is racist, even if you don't agree?" Sharon replied, "I feel like I'm about to be put in the electric chair because I have a friend who many people think is racist, so that makes me a racist." The controversial host then demanded Sheryl to explain why Piers's comments were considered racist, screaming at Sheryl and telling her not to cry after her co-host teared up and added, "If anyone should be crying, it should be me." She apologized for the incident a few days after the episode, and after an internal investigation, CBS announced Sharon's departure, revealing the show would return without her on April 12th. Sheryl addressed the incident during the show's return from hiatus, revealing she felt trapped and did not want to seem like an angry black woman if she lashed back. "It's difficult to go back to that day, because I feel trauma," Sheryl admitted. "I feel fearful. I feel apprehensive. I thought I was talking to a friend and someone I could trust." Former co-hosts of The Talk Show, which cycles out new faces throughout the seasons, include Sarah Gilbert, Leah Remini, Aisha Tyler, Marie Osmond, and Holly Robinson Peete.